Hello, beloved souls. Welcome to a commentary channel. My name is Jem, Jem, psychic medium, author, channeler, and truth seeker. I'm also a widow on a pension, and I've published over 20 books at Amazon, and because I'm on a pension, I don't have money to do marketing, so I thought I'd use YouTube as a way of every now and then uploading videos about some of my books. Here's another book called Buttons and Triggers, and on the back it says, have you ever wondered why you react to certain situations and another person doesn't? Do people push your buttons? Do you find yourself in a situation and get triggered? Welcome to this book, where we take a deep dive into buttons and triggers, the why, the how, and when we can do about them. This is a factual book where the author shares several personal experiences. I'm just going to randomly turn to page 35 and right down the bottom, right down here, there's a subheading, but why do people like to push buttons? People may enjoy pushing others' buttons for a variety of reasons, ranging from seeking a sense of power or control to seeking attention or validation. Here are some potential motivations behind why individuals might engage in this behavior. Number 1, power and control. Some individuals push others' buttons as a way to exert power or control over them. By eliciting a strong reaction or emotional response, they may feel a sense of dominance or superiority. Number 2, entertainment or amusement. For some people, pushing others' buttons can be entertaining or amusing. They may find satisfaction in observing the reactions of others and derive pleasure from stirring up emotions or creating drama. Number 3, validation or attention seeking. Individuals who push others' buttons may crave attention or validation from others. By eliciting a reaction, they may feel validated in their own beliefs or behaviors and seek reassurance from others. Number 4, manipulation or influence. Pushing others' buttons can be a tactic used to manipulate or influence their behavior. By triggering emotional responses, individuals may attempt to manipulate others into doing what they want or gaining an advantage in a situation. Number 5, insecurity or low self-esteem. In some cases, individuals who push others' buttons may themselves feel insecure or have low self-esteem. By pushing others down or causing them to react emotionally, they may temporarily alleviate their own feelings of inadequacy or insecurity. Number 6, conflict avoidance or defense mechanism. Paradoxically, some individuals may push others' buttons as a way to avoid conflict or protect themselves from perceived threats. By provoking a reaction, they may preemptively assert themselves or establish boundaries in a situation. Number 7, lack of empathy or awareness. Some people may push others' buttons without fully realizing the impact of their behavior. They may lack empathy or awareness of how their actions affect others and may not understand the consequences of their behavior. Overall, the motivation for pushing others' buttons can vary widely depending on individual personality traits, past experiences, and situational factors. While this behavior may prove temporary gratification or fulfillment for some, it can also lead to conflict, resentment, and damaged relationships. It's important for individuals to recognize the impact of their actions on others and strive to engage in respectful and empathetic communication. So I just read pages 35 to 37. Hope you enjoyed it. Now all my books are also available as ebooks. Please buy a book. You might find one that you like. There's many different types, from poetry to self-help to metaphysical, all sorts. Even books I have channeled by automatic writing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please be kind to each other and to yourselves. Love, light, and blessings. Bye.